again from Bonito Designs. So today we are here at Mr. Jyoti Prakash's house. This is in JP Nagar 7th phase near Brigade Millennium. This is called Shivaganga Opal. So Mr. Jyoti Prakash is moving abroad shortly, so he has not moved into this place yet. So it's pretty much vacant. You can only see our woodwork and fall ceiling. I'll show it to you. So we enter directly into the living area. As you see, we have a very grand TV unit over here. We have the bottom cabinets and the open cabinet for the center box. We have an extended skirting, and we have a wall concept running here behind the TV unit. It looks very nice. We have put in cope lights over here, so the TV will be wall mounted over here. And on this side we have a puja unit. We have a frosted glass shutter here that has etching of Lord Venkateshwara, and we have little bells over here. And we also have bottom cabinets for the puja platform. This is the fall ceiling of the living area. We have 3 squares, a little tilted squares in between. We have an L shape, and we have squares in the L as well. Of course, with spotlights and cope lights, it looks very nice. So as we enter the dining area, we have wooden paneling here at the entrance of the dining area. We have a very beautiful pattern of stone cladding here on this wall. It looks very peaceful, very nice. And on this side we have the crockery unit. We have a bowl here, a wash bowl here, and a bottom cabinet. We have drawers and openable shutters and the bottom cabinet of this as well. Here is a tall unit with glass shutter and glass shelves inside to display the crockery. And the fall ceiling in this area is actually very nice. We just have a circle and an offset to that circle. It looks very beautiful. Actually very simple but very elegant. So this is the kitchen. This is just plain white colored kitchen. Looks amazing. So on this side we have the sink, we have the bottom cabinet here, we have dustbin and detergent holder over here. This is the RO unit storage. We have tandem boxes over here. This is a magic corner, bottle pull out, cutlery set, tandem box again, blind corner over here, and the tall unit over here. So we have used G profile in the whole of the kitchen. Looks very nice. We have provided space for the microwave oven over here. This is a top lift cabinet, and here we have some open shelves. These are top lift cabinets again, space for the chimney, and we have chimney putter over here and the loft over here. So guys, as you see, we have used a lot of white color in this house, so it makes empty space look very big and very bright. So we are now at the master bedroom, and what you see here is a study ledge, and we have overhead cabinets here. The clothes storage is in a diagonal shape. It looks very nice. And this here is a slider wardrobe. As you can see, we have used a very rich wooden texture in between as a strip, and since we have used white color on either side, this is getting emphasized on. It looks very nice. And we have used conceal handles as usual. Since it's a slider wardrobe, we either use conceal handles or the G profiles. So right now in this place we have used conceal handles. You can see the loft on top, that is also white. It's very nice. So this is a king size bed with a very simple headboard and side tables on either side. So this side of the side table has been used as a part of the dresser as well. The skirting of this unit has been extended to the wall. So with this place you can use it to display some flower vase. It looks amazing. So we have a very long mirror over here, and on this side we have storage again, so you could put in your cosmetics and stuff inside this. So the fall ceiling of this place, we have used a very simple linear and rectangular pattern. It looks very nice. We are now in the parents' bedroom. What you see here is an openable wardrobe, and And on this side we have a dresser and a drawer as the storage for the dresser. You can see a loft on top. We have a very nice pattern going on the wardrobe. We have used the same laminate as that of the NVR. It looks very nice. And on this side we have 3 pigeonholes of different sizes. And on this side we have a TV unit. So we have followed the same diagonal pattern as that in the master bedroom, the overhead cabinet. So we have 2 drawers here and 2 open cabinets. And the top ledge can be used for the set-top box. You can mount the TV over here. The wall ceiling of this area is very interesting. It is very curly, groovy, wavy. This is the guest bedroom. We have a dresser over here, we have mirror with bag storage, and on top we have the loft. So here we have done a paneling. This is actually the back part of the puja unit in the living area. So we have just covered it up with paneling so it looks like a wardrobe. The fall ceiling in this area is very simple. We just have a perimeter with spotlights. It looks very nice. This here is the wash basin area. We have bottom cabinets here as well, and we have mirror with a backlight. So this is Mr. Jyoti Prakash and this is his wife Lakshmi. So they are going to tell us their experience with Bonito Designs.
We got some 2-3 interior designers in the internet, but videos we got to know. The first thing that comes in the video is the Bonito Designs when we search for interior designers in Bangalore. So most of the videos were transparent, like they showed each and every room, how it looks, and the customer.
It got a chance for us to visualize, like, okay, so our house was like this, so where we can bring everything.
But Bonito was transparent, right from the videos, pictures, and we saw in house.com, everywhere we searched it, and they were transparent in everything, so that's why we chose Bonito.
So how would you like to rate Bonito considering the design, the execution, the time taken, cost involved? Considering all of it, how would you like to rate Bonito in the scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah, actually for design, I think maybe like 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Execution, it took longer. It takes that time. It was unfortunate that her marriage was fixed and she went off. So
We cannot blame her.
6 to 7.
Our
6 to 7 for execution phase. But
output is like good. Like,
You could probably give us a single rating, you know, all of it put
Overall,
together.
6 out.
6 or 7.
But the people who came for this housewarming, right? Everyone was telling only one thing: the interiors are really good.
Okay, which part of the house do you like the most?
Interior, the fall ceiling, and also the kitchen. Kitchen is really good because we went for the attic. We know that it will cost a little bit, but we want the smooth finish
Yeah,
and
the most
everything.
expensive is kitchen because
And so kitchen and fall ceiling, both are good.
but everything is good. Like, you know, we cannot specify, okay, the like, kitchen is good and like everything work is very good. But to get that output, like there was a lot of
Follow.
so yeah, otherwise it's.
It happens because the designer left it.
And we were not here, that was the reason.
Alright, I hope you have a happy stay at this house.
Thank you.
Thank you.